to day 2 of a week in Palma de Mallorca YouTube series. As you guys can see, the majestically beautiful view behind me, and waking up to this view is a different vibe. It just freshens you up, it just removes all the stress, and I just feel like sitting here all day, and it's pretty much going to be my peace spot, or the space where I am going to sit the most whilst we are here in HSM Sandola Beach. And I think I'm pretty much going to do a lot of editing here in front of this view. It's just beautiful. But yeah, so today we are going to go first pick up my cousin from the airport. Then we'll just do a few grocery shopping because we need the essential groceries like bread, butter, eggs, milk, coffee, sugar, and those kind of things. And then we are planning to head to the beach. We also have a swimming pool. You guys can see that somewhere down there. We also have a swimming pool in the hotel, and we might just go in the swimming pool instead of the beach, but because the beach water looks so beautiful, I'm really excited, and I can't wait to enter into the water. But yeah, we also need to have a lunch somewhere. We are thinking a beachside view restaurant, but let's see if we find one, a decent one. And we're planning to have the local cuisine, so we'll go with paella mostly. I'm gonna try a seafood paella today. Let's see how that goes. And then probably we are just gonna chill sometime at the beach, and then later on in the evening, as it's a Saturday, we are gonna explore the nightlife of Palma de Mallorca. And there's also a really small city called Magaluf, which is like a strip of party places, bars, pubs, and yeah. So we're probably gonna head there. We're gonna look for a good pub or a good club and dance the hell out. So yeah, that's pretty much the day. So yeah, let's get started.
आम्ही हारान मारत होतो मिळालं नाही
तर नमस्कार.
चलो
कसं वाटतंय?
15 तास एअरपोर्टला पुन्हा मिळणार ना घ्यायचं होतं.
So we just picked up my cousin, and now we are at Carrefour, which is basically one of the big supermarkets here in Spain, just to get basic groceries and stuff. And yeah, I'll have to put on a mask. So it's 2:15 p.m. Almost afternoon time, and we are at the Blue Bar restaurant for our lunch. We just picked up my cousin. He finally arrived. So yeah, we're excited to enjoy the trip together. We went for a little grocery shopping in one of the superstores here, and now we are all ready in our outfits, ready for the beach as well. We're gonna have some food. Hi cousin. We're gonna have some food, chill for. We're going to have some food, chill for some while, then we are probably going to go in the water, either on the beach, depending on how much rush there is, how many people there are, or we also have a pool at our hotel as well. So yeah, it's either going to be on the beach or on the pool, depending on the rush, again because it's a Saturday. And yeah, that's pretty much what we are going to be up to today, and then later on probably we are going to go for a party. So yeah, I'll keep you guys posted and keep watching.
So that was all the fun that we had at the party place. We just came outside. It's almost 2 o'clock, and it's amazing. As you guys saw the clippings, it was phenomenal. The only one thing that was a little bit disappointing was that dancing is not allowed. I think there is like kind of a rule in Spain. It's kind of a national rule that in pubs and clubs will be opened in COVID, but dancing would not be allowed. And there's also a really interesting sign that's here. I'll just show you guys that as well. As I said, it's interesting. But yeah, that's that. Let's go back to the party. After that last club, we actually went to Tiger. We found Tiger here. We went there, and actually dancing was allowed there. I don't know, was it a glitch or a loophole in the rule, or was it something that the Tiger were doing unofficially? But we were dancing inside, and it was amazing fun.